Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mix and match between the feminine and masculine makeup on Dress to Impress. So for instance, this face here that I have, it's a mix of both. So for the eyes, go to the masculine section and then use this one. And then for the brows, I went back to the feminine custom makeup. And then for the mouth, go back to just the masculine area here, and then you can select that. And then same with the contour. And then for the rest, I went back to the feminine makeup section and added more stuff. And that's pretty much how you can mix and match in between mask and feminine faces. As you can see, it works for like faces like this. I do need to make the skin more pale. I think this is the color that I used. I remember. I think it was more pale or like a little bit darker. But as you can see, I use masculine eyes here. But you can mix and match to make your face look more interesting and unique, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Just mix and match by pressing in between these and it will show different options. You cannot layer each other on top of them though. Like for instance, you want two eyes, you can't do that. You can only have like one, but you can like have it separate between the feminine and masculine section. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!